In this lesson, we're gonna understand the first and fundamental commands of the terminal. The first thing that we want to know in the terminal is to be able to understand who we are logged in as. What is our identity? What is who are we as users in our computer? And to do so, it's very simple. We just type who am I. And the terminal is going to tell us, we hit enter, and the terminal tells us, your MacBook, you are this user, MacBook, okay? The second thing that we want to know is where are we, in what directory, in what folder are we, okay? So to do that, we just type what is the present working directory. So we just type pwd, we hit enter, and the terminal tells us, well, you are under user MacBook. So right now you are in this folder user, and inside this folder you are in this folder MacBook. So you're here. Okay, so just to avoid any confusion, I prepared here another terminal window in which we are not in the MacBook folder. So here, if I type pwd, what is pwd? What is the present working directory here? It tells me you are in users mark. Okay, so in this other window here, we are actually inside this folder. Okay, inside the folder mark. But if I ask him, okay, but who am I? Who am I? What is my user identity? And it's gonna tell me, don't worry, your MacBook. Okay, good. So we can get rid of this, and we can go to another very important command, which is a command to understand what is inside the present working directory. So I know I am in MacBook, but what is inside of MacBook? Can you give me a list of everything that is inside MacBook? Can you show me all this? That is. So we just type ls, standing for list, and we get the list of all the files and folder in here. And you can see that they are actually application, B stuff, desktop. They're all the files and folders in here. Now, something that you cannot do very easily here, but you can do with a terminal, is the following. I don't know if you know that, but there are many hidden files here, files that you cannot see or touch here, but you can see them and touch and edit them and do stuff to them in the terminal. And if you want to see them, you just type ls space -a. Now, this is very common. You're gonna see this a lot. This is the command, and every time you have a command, you also have an option to the command. So it means this is the command, and I want you, terminal, to perform this command in this way. And there are many ways you can perform a command. In this case, is telling him, give me the list of everything inside this folder, but with this option, which is telling him, but give me all the hidden files. Okay, so we type this, we hit enter, and we see there are many files. You see, there are the files that are visible, but there are also all these files, and the hidden files usually starts with a dot. So all these files are hidden. Okay, we're gonna work on this in a more advanced lesson. And in the next lesson, we're gonna see a very important option for the command ls, which is gonna give us much more details about all our files. See you in the next lesson.